Hello everyone, this is number 4 from 2016 AMC 8 Math Olympiad. When Chino was a boy, he could run 15 miles in 3 hours and 30 minutes. As an old man, he can now walk 10 miles in 4 hours. How many minutes longer does it take for him to walk a mile now compared to when he was a boy? How many minutes longer is the ultimate goal here? So we are comparing the young Chinu's running speed in minutes per mile to the old Chinu's walking speed. Logically, it makes sense that old Chinu is slower. The goal of the problem is to find how many minutes longer for him to walk a mile compared to when he was younger. So let's first calculate the young Chinu's minutes per mile. 3 hours 30 minutes is equivalent to 210 minutes. Because 3 hours is 180 minutes. Okay. So let's say this is when he was young. And then you have to add the additional 30 minutes. And that adds up to 210 minutes. Per mile, we have to use the ratio 210 miles over 200 minutes per 15 miles. That gives us the speed at which the young Chinu was running. When you divide this, you get 14 minutes per mile. Now let's compare that to the old Chinu's time. According to the question, he runs 4 hours, so 4 hours is equivalent to 240 minutes. Over the distance of 10 miles. 10 miles. Okay. So his speed is 24 minutes per mile. So the more minutes he runs per mile, slower he is. I know typically we write the speed in miles per minute or miles per hour, but according to the question, it's asking how many more minutes per mile. Therefore, I specifically rearrange it to make the minutes on the top and the miles on the bottom. Alright, so finally, we subtract the younger Chinu's minutes per mile from the old Chinu's minutes per mile. So 24 minutes per mile minus 14 minutes per mile. Whoops, forgot to. And you get 10 minutes. 10 minutes per mile. So each mile, it takes him 10 more minutes compared to when he was younger. So the answer is B.